Hi all, I'd like to show you my upgrade for the Spitfire Sport 60. Now RC113 said his gear mount dislodged on landing, so I thought I'd better do a bit of an upgrade. So, where the landing gear attaches to this soft piece of ply, I've added a big chunk of wood underneath. I've had to slightly cut away this so it lines up with the rib. I don't think you can see that. And then you slot a piece of wood the exact size into here, slide it under the original fitting, glue it in front and back, and away you go. Looks pretty good. I've got the other side one already done. It's really solid. I'll just flick it up so you can have a look. These are the original supplied hardware. Servo on the other side here. Rod connecting to the landing gear. Now it's really solid now. Glued together in the center so the rods don't move. Just about to put the other side one in. Should be okay. I'll do another video on some other bits that don't fit. But other than that, it's going well. So I'll keep you posted.